Chances are, if you have a Pathfinder speaker system, you've had it for a while, and your battery is dead. What you're going to want to do is take off this panel, and there will be screws. The battery is right behind this. What I'm doing today, however, is installing a connector for a Dewalt battery. I'm going to actually put it right here in this place, and I can just plug and play, put my Dewalt battery in there like so, and it'll be hanging off the back, or actually might even just put it on the top like this. Then I can put larger batteries, easy to charge, etc. Alright, just got the back off. See some battery juice right there. Here are the two wires. I actually pulled the end off this one, which stripped it a little bit, which is actually what I needed. So I will be fixing these two to that. But first, I need to connect this to the back side of this, and then I'll put two little bitty holes there. Alright, so I fixed it to it. Put little bitty drill holes in it, and then just two screws that I'll make black. It's really tight on there. I've got the two wires going in right here. I actually had a little offset, which isn't that great, but no big deal. I made them really tight to where they actually won't leak water. Alright, got my wires spliced up together. Wrapped each individual ones, crimped them, then wrapped them together so it's a little bit cleaner. Threw a few screws in there. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Alright, so I decided to change the placement of the battery. There, instead of back here, I put a couple of holes, so I'll put a little bit of super glue to cover those up because it'll be watertight. There we go. Up and running, connected to the phone.